Hello friends. Now, Newbie will give you a tutorial on how to print documents from a PC to a Ricoh copier. For the first step, you can download and install the Ricoh printer driver first. You can check the download link in the description column. After installing, you can go to Settings, Printer and select the Ricoh photocopier series. Click Printer Preferences and select Detail Settings. Then click Job Setup, Details. Here please enter the user that you created on the copier and enter your password and the user code. For testing, we can click Print Test Page, then we will go to the Ricoh photocopier. Okay, it's done. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe.